Good job, dude. Okay, today's fun is the C&M SGM golf game mat. Let's get this set up and have some fun. Okay, we open our box, and inside our box we've got our game mat. That's going to be our target for what we're going to be chipping and shooting at. We also have our scoreboard right there. We have these stakes to hold the mat down in place in case you're using it at a park or somewhere where there's dirt and you can stake it in. It comes with this little chipping mat, so you can hit off of that in case you're playing somewhere where it doesn't have grass. We have grass, but you can use that as well. And then it comes with this bag of balls. Now these balls all have Velcro all over them, so they will stick to this mat as you chip them. And they're color coded, so you can do multiple teams all play at the same time and still differentiate whose ball is whose and what score is for which person. Let's get it set up and show you how we use it. So this is the full setup. We've got it up on the wall with the hooks, and we've got the ball set up right there. We're going to be playing the closest to the pin competition. Okay, so grab the ball, put it on the mat. There you go. Now step up to the face. There you go. Face it and take a swing. Right. Take one more. And then we can also play darts. So why don't you grab one of the red ones and see if you can make it in the 100 by throwing it there. Put the club down. Now see if you can do target practice by throwing it at a number. Oh, good job. See if you can make 4 of them. Oh, great shot. One more. All right. And let's see who can make it. Go.
I got 50.
Go. Oh, close.
Is that 100 or 50?
50.
So 100.
Oh, Lucy, you need one more. You need one more.
So 150. 150.